Hi everyone, I'm Francis from SG Singapore. Okay, I'm here to share with you one of the DIY disposable and breathable face mask. It's made of 4 layers. As you can see, these are the sets of materials which you actually can find in your home. The reason why I'm doing it, and this is my first time I'm sharing it on a video, such that those to benefit those who cannot afford to own a surgical mask or fear to get one, especially those in other countries. Hope this will help a lot of people, and I'm just doing my part to fight against the virus. Okay, let me introduce you now. Okay, you need a stapler. This is a stapler, scissor, straw. Okay, what you need is a tissue, piece of tissue. Okay, 2 pieces of kitchen towel which is connected, 2 pieces, and you need toilet rolls 1, 2, 3, 4 which are all connected, and then to tie up to your ears you need 2 long rubber bands or any strings to hook on it. Basically it's very simple and straightforward. Okay, you don't need much of a so-called like special material. You can get this practically at home. Okay, and before I proceed further, I'd like to tell you all that please sanitize all your equipments. Okay, make sure everything you use are clean, including the worktop, which I have already sanitized, including myself, especially my hands, which I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to do it. And whatever tissue paper, kitchen towel, toilet roll, they are all brand new. I don't use what is already existing been using. Hope you can take note of this. Okay, otherwise it won't be so hygienic. Okay, now let us start with the face mask first. Okay, simple. Okay, now I shall remove some of the things here to give you a broader spectrum, broader view of what is going to happen. First of all, we fold this into half like this. Okay, we fold this into half. Okay, with the folded end here and the open end here. Next, we take 4 pieces of toilet roll which are connected. Fold this into half. Okay, next we put it right in the middle of it. Okay, and then we use another tissue paper to put everything to be centralized. Okay, next what do we do? Okay, we are going to fold this into to meet the toilet roll like this. For this edge of the kitchen roll, fold it to the edge here, press it down gently. Next, we do it the other side, also the same. Then the other way, fold it there. Okay, now so what do we do next? Okay, we take 2 pieces of straw, 2 number of straw, blue color. Okay, flatten it. You have to flatten it, otherwise it won't be that easy to fold it to half. Flatten it using your edge of a scissor to flatten it like this. Okay, flatten it. Okay, flatten it. Okay, next, cut to length. How do you cut to length? Based on the tissue paper. This tissue paper, place it near to it. Okay, cut it to length using a sanitized scissor with alcohol. Cut it to length. Okay, same goes for the other straw. Cut it to length. Okay, discard the balance straw. Okay, what do you do next? Okay, now we are going to form the framework of the face mask. How do you go about doing it? Put it right over here. Okay, when you fold it, okay, 4 1/2. Okay, put the straw over here. Okay, before you fold it another half like this. Put it close to it. Make sure it's the same length as the tissue paper. Okay, fold it this way. Okay, then fold it one more time. Okay, what do you do to it? Staple it. Okay, like this. Staple to the edge of the tissue paper, like this. 1, 2. And turn around, do it for the other side, like this. Put it over here. Now this side, you shall put it on the kitchen towel side. Okay, same, fold it into half. What do you do? Staple it to hold it down. You should try to get the staple in line. Okay, next, what do you do? Okay, now you have the balance straw. Okay, make it flat. Same, flatten the straw using the edge of your scissor to flatten it. Okay, so what you do, you're going to cut into the required dimension like this. So it can be a bit shorter, you trim it. Okay, measure almost the same length. Okay, fine. Okay, so what do you do with it? Now you can use either rubber band or cloth to insert it in. If we are using rubber band, the length of this is about 28 cm to 30 cm depending on your face size. Okay, for string it will be longer, so it depends on the person's face. This is just a guide. So now for this case I shall use a rubber band. Okay, insert the rubber band into the straw. Okay, gently insert it in. Okay, put this over. So what do you do? You're going to roll it up. Okay, then what you're going to do with it, make sure they are spaced equally. Okay, and you're going to staple it. You might want to staple one more in order not for it to flap. It's fine with me, you can do it. Okay, now do it for the same for the other side, but before you can place it in, always remember, put the rubber band in first. Okay, and place it over here. Now do the same as for this side, roll it in, then staple it. So now what do you do? The last part, tie out the rubber band. Into a knot. Okay, now you have created a knot. Do it for this side. Okay, now you have your face mask. So what do you do? It's a bit unsightly to see this knob, so I do tuck it away. How do you tuck it? Okay. Okay, tuck it away. Same. Push it right into the straw inside. it will be safely tucked in. If this side cannot go in, try the other side. Okay. Voila. So you got this in. So now it looks good. Now what do you do? Fold this into half based on the center line of your tissue paper. Okay. And press it tight. Press it at the tip of it so that this will hold. Voila, you have completed your disposable DIY and breathable 4-ply face mask. And then you can do it every day. Each time you go out, and remember, after each use you have to dispose it. Do not reuse it again. I repeat, do not reuse it again. This is meant for one-time use. Okay, some of you might wonder, why do I use tissue paper and toilet roll? Why don't I use all towel, kitchen towel roll? Yes, you can do it, but just to economize whatever I have at home, so that's why I use two sheet of kitchen towel, two sheet of two sheet of toilet rolls, and one sheet of tissue paper. This to economize it, and it still works the same, and it's both breathable. Now with all this in, you can try like this. Hold it in, put it there, and you have your face mask clean and good. Yeah, for the next DIY, I'll be teaching you how to build facial. Hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for your time, and hope you can share this and give me a like if you like my video. Thank you.